How to delete your languages on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete your languages on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and now click these three lines here and go down and click settings and privacy, and then click settings, and now go down into your find profile information, basic info, and click edit, and then just go to your languages and click X icon and then save, and now your language has been deleted. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.